This is where I spend a lot of my free time. My backyard. In my backyard, my boys can run around as they please. This is the pear-like tree that grows in my neighbor's yard. Squirrels eat the fruit and throw them in my backyard. See all that crap on the floor? It doesn't look too bad now because I just cleaned it on Sunday. But usually the whole ground is littered with all these little fragments of the pits. It's gross. This is what happened to the previous tree that pissed me off. I cut it down. There he is, eating and chomping away, and that piece of pit and fruit is gonna go right in my yard. Urban nature. Here's my ride, Gas Guzzler 2001. This is where I bring the boys to walk sometimes. This is the John Pope Paul Park in Quincy in Dorchester. It's right off Highway 93. It's really nice here. This is Neelan Street, one of Chinatown's main streets. All that traffic. I wish you were here to smell the smells of food and garbage. As you can see, I'm not a very big nature person. Other than my dogs, I don't like any animals. And when I'm outside, during allergy season, it gets really bad. So I don't like being outside.